it has it in safety and all those other wonderful features. It is called Lakeside Blue 2017 Sonata. Come on in, let's take a closer look. As you can see, the body is in outstanding condition. You got that classic chrome grille in the front. You have the projector wraparound LED lights. You have great tires. We're going to pan down the side of the vehicle, and if you notice on the door frame all the way around, you have the chrome accent. Oh, this vehicle is in great condition. Let's go inside and take a closer look. I hope you saw the spoiler on the back. Interior is soft gray cloth. It looks like it's never been sat in, and it's been well taken care of by the previous owner. On the steering wheel for hands-free, you'll see you have Bluetooth capability, cruise control, as well as adjusting your music. But right here, more importantly, is your information center. I wanted it to light up a little bit so you can see it. You do have a CD player, FM, AM radio, cold air for the summer, hot heat for the winter. It does have ports that are hidden, which I like that little extra feedback of auxiliary USB and 2 chargers for your phone. You also have a driver's mode that allows you to have the vehicle in sport mode, which means it's a tightening of the suspension of the steering wheel when you drive. Oh, George, I can go on and on about this vehicle, about how many wonderful, great features it has, but it won't mean a thing until you come in today and take it for that test drive. Once you drive this vehicle, you'll know why it needs to be in your driveway, and it can happen as early as this afternoon. We are open until 8 p.m., so by all means, come on down. By the time you get off work, I can have it waiting for you when you get here, and we can go for that test drive. My name again is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. I am so excited you are allowing us to help you again with that investment in your future. And here at Tameron, George, you are going to love the way you're treated. I can't wait to meet you.